Thanks for having me here. I'll get the prints ready in a week. Thank you. Have a good night. Hey, step bro. Are you doing something? Don't ask me why. Just answer it. Oh, that depends on what I ask. Okay. I am stranded in the middle of nowhere and it is late. So I was thinking, oh, don't yell at me. I know it's 10:30. I should have been at home at this time, but I had a shoot that ran late and I let Kevin go because he didn't feel good. It's a long story. You know what? Why don't you come over and then we will yap about all you want? Really? Are you coming? Oh, thank God. I'm sending him a location. Oh, you saved my life. Oh, I thought you wouldn't be able to come within this downpour. Why did you even leave the house? Ah, you reached here this early? Man, you have quite the driving skills. Kudos. Yeah, I got a little wet. I took shelter at the bus stop, but the wind was merciless, and so was the rain. It quieted down a little bit a few minutes back, but before that, it was a full blown hurricane. The environment is not looking good, seriously. No, no, no. I'm okay. Uh, I'm not afraid, but thunders are unpredictable. They're supposed to come after the light and not milliseconds after the light. The landing must be close. Yeah, let's get out from here. What was I doing here? Oh, yeah, I was working. I told you I had a shoot. It was a maternity photo shoot. They were an older couple who are now expecting twins from IVF. How cute is that? Yeah, I could have had this shoot in the morning, but my schedule is jam packed and I didn't have any time to get to them. It was kinda, how to say, I'm not finding the right words. Okay, so let me start from the very beginning. Today, my team and I came here to make a documentary on the rustic scenery. As you can see, oh, you cannot see right now, it's night and it's raining. Okay, but let me give you a bit of a description. This place is the most beautiful lake in this area. It's breathtaking. I would have shown you if the environment was not like this, but okay, leave it. There is a diner just 2 minutes away from it. The expecting mother works there. It's a kind of abandoned place. There are not many visitors, and the people who are living here mostly fall into the middle-aged or older generation. There are no young generation here. So when she saw us two bright young faces, she was quite impressed. She was so excited to meet us that she gave us a free welcome drink to each one of us, and it was delicious. I finished up my original work, and then it occurred to me that I had a maternity shoot due in my course. She was a perfect match. I could not let go of this opportunity. I basically carnapped Kevin when we got to know that we had the rest of the day to ourselves. It's not his fault that he took off. He was very tired. She had to work till late in the afternoon while I set everything up at their house. But, it was still worth it. The wait was worth it. The photo shoot was amazing. I'm quite impressed with myself. I'll be showing those to my professor, and he has to give me those amazing marks for it. Here was how my day went. But by the way, how did your day go? Uh, what? What happened? Are you alright? Why are you sighing? I ruined? I ruined your day. How? Oh, you were on a date? At 11 o'clock? Oh. Okay. Okay, I got it. I won't pry for details. I'm sorry. What do you mean by why I'm laughing? I basically realized I am your blue ball brigade. Am I not? Oh, you're too old to understand this, aren't you? Anyways, nothing of your concern. What? You left your date to rescue your little sister? How cute is that? Bet you had other plans for your girl. Ah, what? Is something wrong with the car? I am the problem? How? And why the hell are you yelling at me? Enough! You didn't tell me about your day today. And I was stuck in an emergency, a real emergency, that I had nothing to do about. If you were so upset about leaving your girlfriend on a mid-date, you can go on without me. You get mad when I call you, and now when I'm telling you to go, you're not going. I am behaving like a little girl. You're behaving like a prick. Be honest. Am I that much of a pain in the ass to you? No, you listen to me. I have noticed things, and I will. I have noticed things, and I will share those with you today. From that day, when my dad married your mom, you behaved coldly with me. My dad told me that you needed time to settle down. That's why I never took your rude behavior seriously. It was not my fault that our parents broke up and then managed to find love again. Trust me, I'm not any less broken than you. You have your own demons. True, but you can't turn a blind side to my sufferings. You treat me like dirt, and I hate myself for thinking that someday you will come around and treat me like a normal person. You think silence will fix everything? That I will just magically understand you? I can't read your mind, you know. You've spent years making sure I never could. Every time I think I have you figured out. You go and prove me wrong. I hate the person I become when I'm with you. My father asked me why I chose a college so far away from home. I lied and said that it was the best for this course. It was actually to be away from you. I felt suffocated in that house. You constantly made me feel that I was the root cause for all of this. But in reality, I was as clueless as you. Let's be clear. Tell me that you hate me. Come on, do it. I promise. After this, I will pack my bags and leave. And you will never have to see my face again. What? You want me to leave now? Is that what it is? Is that why you're not speaking to me right now? Fine. Fine. I'm leaving and you can go on without me. Ah, what the hell is wrong with you? This isn't fair, you know? You spent years pushing me away, and now? You always do this. Push me away, then pull me back in like you're afraid to let go. I can understand from your action how much you hate me. No need to verbally say it. You have weird questions. Why didn't I get scared of the thunder? Because I don't show that I'm vulnerable in front of a person who doesn't care. Oh, please. Don't pretend that you're actually worried that I'm sick. I don't want to be a burden anymore. I think it would have been better if I hadn't called you. I thought of my safety. I thought that you would be worried about my safety. I thought I had someone by my side. But I was wrong. I think you would not have batted an eye even I didn't return tonight. Right? What do you think you're doing? Leave my wrist right now. Come on. Come on, it hurts. Are you insane or what? Take back what? No, I'm not taking it back. It's true. It would be better if I just disappeared from your life. That way, you can live a happy life with your happy girlfriends. Putting me closer to you doesn't change the fact that don't look at me. I don't know what to do when you look at me like this. Ever since high school began and we met, I've liked you. I thought of confessing at the end of the school, but it was too late. My parents got carried. You pushed my feelings aside, but you, you rejected me at every step. Am I so bad? Am I so bad that oh, okay, okay, please. Give me a second. My brain just got short circuited. This isn't fair, you know. You spent years pushing me away. Now you do this. Did you do that just to shut me up, or you felt pity that I had a crush on you? Right the other way around? I don't understand. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, no, I just fine. It's that you was too strong. I mean, nothing. So, why am I suddenly on your lap? Haven't you humiliated me enough? Why should I look at your eyes? No, you have beautiful eyes. Oh, that's not what I meant to say. Okay. What? That is so random. I mean, this is not possible. Okay, okay, I'll listen. Yes, I listen. Why should I repeat what you just told? To make sure I understood? I'll try. You also liked me in high school. You graduated first and waited silently for me to pass. So, you were the one who sent me flowers and a box of chocolate on the Valentine's Day all those years ago? Oh, you should have left with a nice note. Sorry for throwing those. I thought it was from a creep. Yeah, you didn't know that I was going to be a stepsister. Likewise, after we became a family, you thought your feeling would subside, but it didn't. Double likewise. So instead, you treated me coldly so that I can distance myself. That was not a nice plan, by the way. After all those years, you still had feelings for me. I'm totally confused right now. It's all things. Am I in a dream right now? Because you're not hating me, you're not ignoring me. It's like out of a fantasy novel. At least I'm trying to break the silence, not sitting in silence like you. Yeah, I'm wet. I mean, I'm drenched. So what? Stop laughing. You make me nervous. I can't find words when you are so close to me. Our foreheads touching and our chest touching and see, all you did was hold me close to you, and I could have navigated our way. Promise me not to leave me. Also, promise to break up with that late night girlfriend. Why are you laughing? There was never a girlfriend. Oh, okay, then are you uh, in a no string attached relationship with your girl? Or you never had a girl? Yeah, I understand that you have had girlfriends before, but you don't have right now. Oh, but then why did you lie to me? You're just teasing. Oh, you're a prick. No, I should hate you. How can you do that to me?